Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we're looking at Bodmas fractions. We are on book E worksheet 3. Book E worksheet. Alright. Let's go to the first one. So here we've got 4 and 3/8 divided by, in brackets, you've got 5/4 multiplied by 3/5 divided by 3. So where do we start? Where do we start? Sort out the brackets. But inside the bracket we've got multiplication and division. Percentage. Okay, so we've got multiplication and division. So what are we going to do first? So of course inside the brackets we'll change the division to multiplication, and we're going to also change the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 plus 3 is 35 over 8 must be divided by 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by, and we take its reciprocal, 1 over 3. Okay. Now what? We're going to simplify the brackets. So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 21, 7 times. Anything else cancel here? No. Can I change this to multiplication yet? No. Must be one fraction first. Okay. 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 is 21 over 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 multiplied by 1 is 20. So I'll change this to multiplication tumble and times. Okay. So it's 35 over 8 multiplied by 20 over 21. So what do I do now? We're going to simplify where we can, not so. We'll cancel where we can. Is there anything that can simplify into 21 and to 35 without remainder? Yes. 7 going to 21 3 times. 7 going to 35? 5 times. Anything that can cancel into 20 and to 8? 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 over 6. Which can be written as 4 and 1 over 4. Not so? Any confusion here? Alright, let's go to the next one. Number 6. We got 6 minus 6 multiplied by 1 over 3. What needs to be done first? Multiplication. Not so? That needs to be done first according to Bodmas. So that's naturally over 1. We've got 6 minus. Is there anything you can cancel here?
Yes, sir.
3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 over 1, which is 2. 6 minus 2 is? Is there any confusion there? Let's go look at number 5. Number 5, you got 3 minus half divided by a fifth. So what needs to be done first? Division. So it's 3 minus. That we change to multiplication, tumble and times. So it's 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 1. Multiplication first. Not so?
Yes, sir.
So anything you cancel here? Yeah? So it's 3 minus 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 over 2. Is it naturally over? What's the LCM here? 2. Why am I finding LCM? So I'm subtracting. Okay. So I multiply this by 2. This one multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 minus 6 minus 5 is Okay. Any confusion there? So here we got 3 and a third divided by 6 minus 4 ninths. So what must we do? What must be done first? Division. But prior to that, I'm going to change this to improper fractions. Change that to multiplication. So that's going to give you 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3. Multiplied by 1 over 6 minus 4. However, if this 6 was a improper, it was a mixed number, then I would have first changed it to improper fraction. Not so. So what needs to be done now? Multiplication. Simplification there. So 6, what number goes into 6 and into 10 without remainder? 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and into 10 5 times. Is there anything else that can cancel there? 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1 over 9. Any confusion there? Look at number 9. So here we must change everything to improper fraction. So that's going to give you 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 1 is 25 over 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. Multiplied by 6 minus 1 over 6. So what must be done first? Multiplication. So this part here, not so. It's naturally over 1. Is there anything that can cancel here? 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6. So I have 25 over 3 minus 2 times 4 is 8 over 1 minus 1 over 6. What's your LCM here, people? 6. So multiply this by 2, multiplied by 6, multiplied by 1. 25 times 2 is 50 minus 48 minus 1. What's 50 minus 48? 2 and 2 minus 1?
1.
1 over 6 is then the answer to number 9. Any confusion there? All with me? Number 11. So what must be done first here? Division. Thoughts up? So I can also change that to improper fraction. I'll tumble n times. Thoughts up? So 18 multiplied by 1 is? Plus 1 is? 19 over 18. Minus a quarter multiplied by 2 over 1 plus 5 over 9. What must be done now? Multiplication. So it's 19 over 18 plus minus. Is there anything that can cancel here? 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is plus 5 over. Alright, so what's your LCM here? 18. So I must multiply this by 1, multiply this by 2, no, 9, multiply this by 19 multiplied by 1 is 19 minus 9 plus 10. 19 minus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20 over 18. It tells us, okay, what number goes into 20 and into 18 without remainder? 2. 2 goes into 20 10 times and 18 9. So the answer is 10 over 9. Or, no, 1 and 1 over 9. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Number 13. So you've got 28 minus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 3. So what must be done first? Division. You can change that to multiplication, or you can divide it. Not so. But what we also said that your multiplication and your division can interchange, and your addition and subtraction as well. So I can actually do multiplication first. So it's 28 minus what's 4 multiplied by 6? 24 divided by 3. Now division first. So 28 minus 24 divided by 3? 8. Sorry, 28. 28 minus 8 is? If you go on and divide it first, no problem. Okay. Yes, Michael? You did a division first, okay? You can do that as well. You got the same answer, correct? No, okay? So what was your answer you got? Okay, so read for me, what did you write?
I say 24 minus 4 times 3.
Sorry?
So I say.
You wrote yes?
I say.
You wrote yes?
24.
This is 28, not 24. So you always did you take 28 minus 4 to get 24? Did you say 24 times 6 divided by 3?
No, I say 24 times 2.
Oh, so you work that also out. So you got 24 times 2. Because I 61. Is that what you did? What was the mistake, people? She's not doing Bodmas. Because you can't subtract that first. You must do multiplication first. Do you understand? Let's go to number 15. Number 15, you've got 3.5 multiplied by quarter minus 5/8. So what must be done first? You change this. So you're going to get 7 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 minus 5 over. So what must be done first? Is there anything that can cancel here? There? No. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 over 8 minus 5 over 8. What's the denominators are the same? What's 7 minus 5? 2, and 2 over 8. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times. The answer is 4. Okay. So number 17. So what must be done first according to Bodmas? Division. But I must change that first, not so. So it's 3 over 1 divided by 4 over 3. Minus a quarter. So what must be done now? Division again. Change it to multiplication, tumble and tumble. So it's going to be 3 over 1 multiplied by 4 over 3 over 4 minus a quarter. So what must be done now? Multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 minus 1 over 4. What's 9 minus 1? 8 over 4 is 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. See any confusion there? Last question, number 19. The 5/9 multiplied by in bracket 17 over 20 minus 0.65 divided by 2 over 21. Where do I start? Huh? The bracket. But 0.65 can be written as what? 6 65 over 100. I could have changed that to multiplication if I wanted it that way. But what do I notice here? Is a number that can simplify this here, not so. Otherwise, your LCM would have been 100 here, which is fairly large. So what I do is I first simplify before I take the LCM there. So 5 goes into 120 times, 5 going to here, 13 times. And what do we notice now? 5 over 9 multiplied by, the denominators are the same, not so. So it can be 17 minus 13. I can change this to multiplication, tumble and times. I could have worked this out one time and said it's going to be 4 over 20 if you wanted. Okay? So multiply that by 21 over 2. So you got 5 over 9 multiplied by 17 minus 13 is 4 over 20 multiplied by 21 over 2. Is there anything that can cancel here?
Yes.
5 into 5 once, 5 into 20, 4 times. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 4 once. 3 goes into 9, 3 times, 3 going to 21, 7 times. So what are we left with on top? 1, 1, 7. The denominator is 1, 3, 2. Not so. So let's go. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 7 is
7.
over 3 times 1 times 2 is
6.
6. So the answer is 7 over 6 or 1 and 1/6. Okay. Any confusion there? For homework for tomorrow, I'd like you guys to do if, book if worksheet 1, the odd numbers. Okay. The question paper or the PDF to these questions can be found in the description box below.